Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a duct tape flower just like this. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I've made a duct tape flower around a pen. It's actually really easy to make, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. All that you need is a pen that you can spare just like that, and some duct tape. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get some duct tape, and obviously the more duct tape that you get, the bigger that your flower is going to be. If you're doing this for the first time, I recommend that you get just a little bit of duct tape until you get the hang of it. Then you can use a lot more duct tape. So you're going to get some duct tape, and I'm just going to pull it out like that. I'm just going to use a rather small amount. I'll just use that much right here. Okay, and you're going to turn it over so that the sticky side is facing up. Okay, you want the sticky side facing up. Then you're going to fold it over, and you're going to leave just a little lip of the sticky side remaining. So I'm going to fold this over just like this, and essentially I'm just going to leave a little lip of the sticky side remaining. So you can see right here, this part over here towards the bottom is not sticky because it's been folded over, but there's a little sticky part remaining right there. It's very easy. Now, all that we're going to do is we're going to get the pen, and you don't want to use a part that has a different sort of surface on it. You want just a round surface, just like that, just a straight up cylinder. And you're going to take the sticky part. The sticky part goes on the bottom, and you're going to start wrapping it around the pen, okay? Very easy to do for the most part. The first wrap, you're going to just stick it onto the pen like that and sort of wrap it around one time. Okay, so for the first wrap, that's what you do. But then if you just keep doing that, you're just going to end up with a big roll of duct tape on there. It's not going to flare out like that to make your flower. So what you need to do is you need to essentially crinkle it up on the bottom where the sticky part is, okay, and then stick it down. By crinkling it up, you're creating that gap. So you can see right here, I'm just going to crinkle it up, and then I'm going to stick it down there. Crinkle it up, just like that, crinkle it up, and then I'm going to stick it down there. And you can start to see that we're leaving a gap there. The more that you crinkle, the more of a gap that you're going to have. And it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beautiful thing about this, is that it can really look however you want it to look. But the idea is that you want to create something from nothing. So we're taking regular duct tape that we probably would have used for some other things and then thrown away. And we're creating this awesome flower using this duct tape. So you can see what I'm doing here just to show you is I'm crinkling it together like that, then I'm sticking it down, okay? Like I said, if you take your time, it's going to look even better than this. I'm just kind of doing it quickly just to show you what it would roughly look like if you do it. I just want to give you a good idea of what it would look like. But if you take your time, it is going to look even better than the one that I'm making right here. I'm going to do one last little crinkle right there, stick it down, and what we've done is we've created a nice quick duct tape flower that looks awesome. That's what we've created. It's that easy. That is how to create a duct tape flower. And obviously you can make the bottom look a lot better. You can add more duct tape to cover it up over here. But that's the idea behind it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.